So Second Market is a marketplace for the trillions of dollars of alternative investments that are out there. In particular, we've created a marketplace for private company stock. So Facebook and Twitter and all these exciting companies, we're the marketplace where people go to buy and sell those investments. I think Wall Street is broken, or certainly the public markets are. And we're creating a better marketplace, a place where companies, fast-growing private companies, can access capital, where their shareholders can be able to get some liquidity, but we're also giving investors access to these companies that they never had access to before. Second Market has been quite successful, actually, in both good times and bad times. I think what we've realized is as a marketplace, when things are going well, people want to get involved in riskier type investments, and when things are bad, more people want to sell. So as the middleman, we're successful in both scenarios. I've never been so excited about our business, feel like we're just getting started, and I think it's so important what we're doing because there has been so much trust destroyed in our financial markets and throughout Wall Street. I think there's a tremendous opportunity for us to do something very disruptive, very innovative, and really change the world. As a first-time entrepreneur, I think I'm still learning what the right ways are to motivate people, but I think it takes some transparency into how things are, what's working, what's not working. Certainly empowerment, giving people the ability to be successful. As a first-time entrepreneur, as a recovering investment banker, when I set out to start this business to kind of create this trading platform, went about building the online platform really the wrong way, twice actually. Tried to outsource all the work, didn't hire the right people who had the right experience, and I think third time around it turned out great, but that was certainly a failure that I learned from twice. I'm inspired by, I think, a number of entrepreneurs. One would be Richard Branson. He's been able to figure out the proper balance between successful businessman and also a personal life. Seems to have a lot of fun. Michael Bloomberg, Mayor Bloomberg, he's been able to kind of leverage the success that he had in business into politics. And even someone like Elon Musk, who started companies like Tesla and SpaceX. He's taking on big challenges and very successful at it. I think what I learned as a first-time entrepreneur is one, don't fear the established. I was very concerned early on that I'd be crushed by Goldman Sachs or the New York Stock Exchange. And what I learned is they're very slow to innovate. You can kind of run circles around them. Next is, I always suggest to kind of get out there early and fast with whatever your product or service is and learn from your experience. And lastly, it's to be fearless. Take on the established. I think we're the luckiest generation in history because we have the tools and the ability to change the world. I've got no backup plan. I'm all in.